Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by silencing notifications fast. Make sure your watch is charged and unlocked, then wake the watch face. Once ready, swipe up to open Control Center and locate the bell icon. Tap it to enable silent mode. This immediately stops notification sounds while still allowing haptics. If you want to keep haptics, make sure haptic alerts are on in settings. You'll feel taps instead of hearing tones. This step prevents new sounds while you adjust system audio settings next. Next, dive into settings to remove system and media sounds. You'll open settings, then sounds and haptics, and reduce alert volume to 0 by dragging the slider or rotating the digital crown. This mutes chimes and alarms. Once done, check media playback. If apps still play audio, pause or mute them directly, or use the iPhone Watch app to control which apps may play sound. Make sure theater mode isn't needed. It also prevents screen wake with sound cues. Finish by verifying everything. Play a test alert or media clip to confirm silence, and restart your Apple Watch if any sound persists, because a reboot clears lingering processes. Once done, make sure your paired iPhone isn't relaying sounds via Bluetooth or AirPlay, and confirm focus modes aren't allowing exceptions. If issues continue, reset all settings on the watch as a last resort. If that fails, contact Apple support. One troubleshooting tip: restarts and checking Bluetooth audio routes solve most stubborn sound sources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.